Soil. This 60-inch layer is the reason for the air we breathe and the food we eat. If we take care of the soil, it will take care of us. 10 years ago, this was landfill for factory waste. When my father, Dilmah founder Merrill Fernando, established a center for serving humanity here, Dilmah Conservation set about regenerating the soil. Today, the soil is alive again, nourishing over 500 plants and trees. These, in turn, support countless birds and over 50 species of butterfly, as well as other insects and animals. Biodiversity that was once unimaginable in this once polluted soil. This knowledge is too important to keep to ourselves, so we welcome and encourage visitors to learn the value of nature and understand how we can regenerate degraded land. We must work with nature and not against it. Our lives and the lives of future generations depend on soil that breathes and lives. Using soil sustainably provides the resources we need for agriculture, medicine, tourism, clean water, food security, and the air we breathe.